How you going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get into this video, I'd like to give a big shout out and a big thanks to each and every single one of my viewers, subscribers, and everyone who has liked and commented and shared my videos. Now, I've started this YouTube channel back in January the 6th, 2021, and it led to me being offered a job at DNA Custom Paints, and I believe for me, that is the dream job. Now, I'm pretty stoked that I've painted the colors that I have and worked on the cars that I have in 2021. So here's a montage of some of my most favorable moments that I've had this year. You guys all enjoy. Merry Christmas, have a safe new year, and we'll see you guys on my next video.
It's calling me.
I was yours for the taking. Guess I needed a home.